Today we will learn how to calculate median for group data equal class. This is the given data to you. The formula for calculation of median is L plus within brackets n divided by 2, where n is the total number of frequency minus cumulative frequency up to the median class. This will be divided by frequency of the median class and has to be multiplied by class width of the median class, which is indicated by I. Let us come to the formula for median. During calculation, you have to follow the rule of BODMAS, where the first work that you have to do is within the bracket. Within the bracket n divided by 2, n is the total number of observation, which is 30 divided by 2, that will give you 15. So first you have to locate this number 15 in the less than cumulative frequency. Here you see I have indicated the location with the help of an arrow. You have to write by pencil during examination in the less than frequency column the number 15. So it comes between 9 and 21. Now let us locate the median class. Once that you have located the number 15 in the cumulative frequency column less than type, you see after the cumulative frequency 9 is the value 21. So this value 21 and all the values corresponding to this value is your median class, which means this entire class, this entire line which has been highlighted by the brown color is your median class. The lower class boundary, which is 41.5, just look at the left side of the class boundary column in the highlighted line. 41.5 is the lower class boundary. And your class width corresponding to this class boundary is 15, which is your I. The frequency corresponding to this class boundary is 12 and the less than cumulative frequency value here is 21. So this is your median class. Once you have located all the values, it will be very easy for you to put this value in the formula. So you simply put the value in the formula. Now let us solve the problem. You can see that there is a bracket here and it encloses n divided by 2. N is the total number of observation. Now this bracket work has to be done first. According to the BODMAS rule, all the brackets have to be attempted first and then all the other. I have used different colors to signify the formula. So you see the pink color, which is the cumulative frequency 9, which is the cumulative frequency up to the median class, and all the brown color signify the median class values. So putting all the values in their place, you simplify it and you get the answer 49. Now in the examination, if you write only 49, they will deduct at least half of your number marks. So you should always mention the unit, which is in this case years.